Hi, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna go do easy keto Costco shopping. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do easy keto shopping at Costco. We're gonna get all of our ketogenic diet foods up in this Costco grocery haul. But first, before we go dive in, if you like this video, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly keto diet meal plan. And let's go into Costco and get all of our keto foods. Okay, so for our first stop, we're gonna go get the meat section. We need to get some hamburgers. For our keto shopping haul today, I'm prepping for July 4th, but this is applicable, quite frankly, throughout any summer. You can get your keto foods. We're gonna stop off at the meat section first, pick those out, and then go pick out our low carb vegetables. So for grilling, we are actually going to grill some asparagus. So I'm going to grab part of this for our haul too, to just plop on the grill for our keto party that we're going to be having. Actually, I'm going to cancel that. They look like they're just about ready to expire. I'm going to get a different low carb vegetable instead. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a recap before I get home, and at home I'll do one, but I got some more Kerrygold butter. My Aldi has been out, and I've literally been out of Kerrygold butter, my grass-fed butter. We got some guacamole packets also. I like to get the individual ones, but since we're having a party, I'm getting these. And then I also ended up getting a bunch of berries. We're gonna be making a little berry thing for July 4th. That would be a good low carb fruit to get. I also ended up getting some of my best pesto. I highly recommend Costco's pesto. It is the best. They do have great sparkling water here, but I've got a ton at home with my soda stream. And I'm gonna go home and show you the rest of the meats that I ended up picking. I'll show you those individually. Okay, we are back now from our Costco keto haul. Here's all of my goodies that I got. We ended up getting this awesome cheese sampler board. I love this for a quick, easy keto food. If you need an appetizer at a party, this is my favorite thing to grab. We also got some more Kerrygold butter since our local Aldi is out. We snagged this so I could stock up on it for some grass-fed butter. I also got some grass-fed hot dogs. They're the beef kind. I like the Teton brand, no hormones, no antibiotics. So we snagged these for our barbecue that we're gonna be having to make it high fat, moderate protein, low carb. We got tons of hamburgers in here that are So we had a little accident, so I needed to come back and tell you the rest of what I got at Costco for my Costco ketogenic diet grocery haul. So we got a bunch of meat. We got my Kerrygold butter because Aldi has stopped selling the Kerrygold butter. If you notice, I bought a ton of berries. That was for my July 4th little red, white, and blue flag that I made. And so that was a hit, a huge hit. You can have berries in limited quantities with, say, heavy whipping cream. I love having berries if I'm craving something super sweet with a high fat, like butter and heavy cream, or I'll have it with my coconut manna, which I'll put in the description link below. I'm obsessed with coconut manna. I could not find this at Costco. I ordered it on Amazon, but it is just literally the ingredients, organic whole coconut puree. It's high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So I'll have that with like a tablespoon and maybe some of those berries, but those berries are more so for my kid, and they're a low carb snack as opposed to a keto snack because there's so much sugar within the fruit. Don't buy into the fallacy and the lie that we need to have tons of fruit. If you're trying to lose weight, you probably don't need that much fruit. Okay, the next thing that I also ended up getting was that delicious cheese, which I showed you guys. They do have those little mozzarella balls in the pack. They're so good for travel. If you work out at the home, things like that, those were really good. And I also got 3 packages of the guacamole. Just be mindful, because I dropped one yesterday, that they're plastic. They don't have a lid on them. It's just like a cellophane thing, and so the guacamole exploded all over my July 4th dress. So, and I just exploded ketchup too earlier today, so I'm 2 for 2 right now with condiments. If you're a condiment, stay away from me. But so the guacamole, we do that on top of salads or put it on top of our burgers. It's delicious. It's so good, and it's high fat, moderate protein, low carb. It's one of the best things I always make sure I have almost every day is either an avocado or guacamole, or like an avocado mash, some sort of combination, because it's simple. It's really good, high fat keto food. So if you love this video and found it helpful, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for our free weekly Wednesday weight loss email, my keto diet meal plan, my gift to you. Let's make it a powerful day, and I'll see you again next time on my next keto shopping haul. Bye guys. Hey, if you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto diet meal plan. See you next time. Bye guys.
Find Miss Sienna.